Sometimes you need a towel that's more absorbent and more durable than the average towel. You could settle for a regular old towel, but that's not what you want. What you want is something that will make all your bathroom dreams come true. For those who want the best of the best, you should look no further than Sheridan towels. These high-quality towels are made with top-quality cotton and stand up to everyday use without wearing them out. On top of all that, they're highly customizable and offer a number of stylish textures and colors to choose from. Find out more in this video on why Sheridan towels are worth the investment. Are Sheridan towels good? Short answer, yes, Sheridan towels are very good. They are absorbent, durable, and affordable. There are a lot of reasons why Sheridan towels are so good. It is more than just a brand. The Sheridan Bath Collection is absorbent, dries quickly, and is also very soft wash after wash. Sheridan towels are made with the highest and finest quality cotton, no matter the price point of the product. Sheridan carries out extensive wash tests which are tested way beyond the current industry standards to ensure that their customers are receiving a product that lasts the test of time. There are many benefits to using Sheridan bath towels. They are renowned for their superior absorption and softness, as well as their durability. The design of these towels also plays a role in their popularity. They're available in many different colors and patterns that suit your preferences or match the decor of your bathroom. What is the best Sheridan towel? This is going to be different for everyone hugely, depending on what it is you require in a bath towel, as Sheridan has an extensive bathroom collection with something for everyone. At the Manchester factory we have selected the most popular towels for our customers at affordable price points and different styles and colors. The luxury Sheridan Egyptian Cotton Bath Collection are for those who are looking for the ultimate indulgent spa-like treatment. The Egyptian Cotton Bathroom Collection is made using the finest Egyptian cotton yarns, which are then combed, ring-spun and woven to create a soft, plush pile that is incredibly absorbent and luxurious. This bath collection features a wide range of luxurious Egyptian cotton towels to suit your needs, including hand towels, bath towels, face washes, bath sheets and bath mats. The Sheridan Living Textures Trenton Bath Collection is the most popular collection from Sheridan towels at the Manchester factory. These towels are made from 100% cotton and use Hygro-TM technology, which is a special spinning technique designed to capture water faster. The result is an incredibly plush, soft towel with instant absorbency. The Trenton Living Textures collection is available in a range of bright colors and soft neutrals that are sure to make a statement in any bathroom. Not only are these towels super soft, they feature a contemporary ribbed pattern that makes them a lovely addition to any bathroom. They're currently available in 12 great colors. Nothing says classic like the Sheridan Cotton Twist Towel Collection. Crafted from 100% combed cotton, these no-fuss towels feature a textured weave and a durable, soft finish. Considered a bathroom staple, this collection is easy to care for and will stand the test of time. The Cotton Twist Bath Towel Collection is available in 6 colors: white, gray, midnight, blush, misty teal and charcoal. Where are Sheridan towels made? Sheridan expertly designs all of their bath towel collection and bedding in their Sydney design house. However, Sheridan towels are made in India with quality craftsmanship and extremely high standards. If you look at the label on your towel, it will tell you so. So, too, will every other Sheridan towel, whether it's a bath towel or hand towel with its woven stripes and embroidered monogram. How to wash Sheridan towels. Washing Sheridan towels is easy, and can help ensure your towels last for years. When you wash your new Sheridan towels before use, you'll be removing any residual sizing and/or residue from manufacturing processes. You should also be washing the towels to remove any dirt or dust that may have stuck to them during shipping and handling. Do not use bleach or harsh detergents. A mild detergent is all you need to wash Sheridan towels. Avoid fabric softener and dryer sheets, they can leave streaks on the fabric. While you can't dry clean your towels, most people think they should be. This is not the case. Dry cleaning removes the natural oils from cotton fibers and can cause them to become brittle and prone to tearing. The good news is that these same oils make your towels soft, so there's no need to add any other kind of fabric softener on top of what's already in the towel. If you wash your Sheridan towels at home by hand or machine, don't wring them out until they're completely dry. If you do this too soon, the water trapped inside will come out and leave some dampness behind, which can lead to mildew. It is not recommended that you iron Sheridan towels, as it can damage the fabric. Ironing a towel will set wrinkles and creases into the fabric, making them impossible to remove without damaging the towel. The key takeaway point for caring for your Sheridan bath towels is to keep your Sheridan towels looking their best is by washing them regularly with warm water and mild detergents. You can truly see the quality of Sheridan towels by touching them or using them. You'll be amazed at how soft and luxurious these towels feel. Sheridan bath towels are an attractive option for consumers who want high-quality towels at an affordable price point at the Manchester factory. While there are many differences between competing bath towels brands, Sheridan has a lot of benefits and is a reliable brand that should be considered by anyone looking to invest in new bath towels.